Hi everyone, Sarah from Easy English Club. In today's lesson we are going to be learning all about phrasal verbs, about the morning and your morning routine. If you haven't already, peoples, please hit the subscribe button up there or down there. I think it might be in the bottom, that corner down there. Hit the subscribe button wherever it appears, and please hit the bell icon too. Thank you. And if you find this video useful, I'm going to ask you for the thumbs up. I love doing the thumbs up. That's a very British thing. Well, me, I do it a lot. Thumbs up, it means great, fantastic, loved it. Okay, on with the lesson, guys. Learning phrasal verbs about morning and your morning routine. I thought I'd do it a little different today. I'm going to go through my morning routine. I will be using phrasal verbs, and after the routine, I will explain each one in turn so that you know what on earth I'm talking about. Okay, guys. Alarm goes off at 6:30. I jump out of bed. I run down the stairs. I switch the coffee maker on. Grab me a juice from the fridge. I go sit down. I read my book for a little bit and chillax. Then by that time, the coffee's ready. So I pour me a coffee. I run back up the stairs and I brush my teethies. Brush my teethies. Go back downstairs. Enjoy that morning coffee. Sometimes I go and sit outside and watch the hummingbirds, or I go and water my flowers. I love flowers and nature, bumblebees, anything like that. Okay, so I've gone outside. I've enjoyed my coffee. Then it's time to jump in the shower. Basically get ready for the day. So jump in the shower, give yourself a good wash down. Then I do something that we call wash and brush up. Put my clothes on and what I call my crown jewels. I'll show you them in a minute. And I'm ready for the day. Now, some people, they have to go to work in the big city. You know, the big city. Basically, they have to jump on a train, catch a bus, or hop in a car. Me, I'm lucky. I get to work from home. I get to make YouTube videos for you guys, and I'm also an eBay dropshipper, and I do that too. Okay, then after that, I'll go walking, take a stroll, and get some fresh air. Okay, guys, there was many phrasal verbs in that little paragraph. I just talked about my morning routine. Let's go through them one at a time. So basically, I get up or I jump out of bed. Literally means you get up out of the bed. So you get out of the bed. If it's a weekend, we lay in, or we have a lie-in, which really means you lay in bed a little longer than you normally would, because in the week you have to get up early, but at the weekend you don't have to get up quite so early. Okay, so we've all got out of bed. I run down the stairs, or I jump down the stairs, or you can walk down the stairs. I think you guys know what that means. You literally go down the stairs. Grab a coffee. Grab an orange juice, which really means you just get an orange juice, or you get yourself a cup of coffee. Coffee will wake you up. I normally have 2 or 3 cups. Not sure how many you guys have. Let me know in the comments down there. More coffees you have, the more times you need to spend a penny. That is a really English expression there. Spend a penny. It literally means that you have to go to the bathroom, or what you guys may call the restroom. Years ago, we literally had to pay 1 penny to go to the bathroom. That's where that expression comes from, spend a penny. It's a funny one. It's old. I got that from my grandparents. Okay, so we've got ready. We've had our juice and we've had our coffee. Back up the stairs to brush my teethies, which basically means brush your teeth. Clean your teeth, guys. Jump in the shower. Literally means take a shower or have a shower. Then I said I get my glad rags on. Glad rags literally means clothes. Shorts, jeans, sweater, t-shirt, blouse, shirt, suit and tie. So those are glad rags, literally your clothes. Now, I said I put my crown jewels on. Crown jewels is my nickname. A nickname is like an informal word. Nickname. I'll put it down there in the subtitles, guys. Crown jewels. Literally, these are my crown jewels. Bracelets, earrings, chain, watch, so you know what the time is, and rings. Okay, those are my crown jewels. All right, guys, so you got your clothes on, you got your jewels on, you're ready for the day. Literally means you're ready for the day, whatever comes your way. Now, time to eat some breakfast. I'll go into the kitchen and chop up some fruit, put it in my cereal. Chop up literally means just cut. Throw it in my cereal literally means just put it in the cereal bowl. And the weekend we have what we call a fry up. Fry up is our Brits way of saying we have a cooked breakfast. For example, sausage, bacon, egg, toast, more coffee maybe. Sometimes we have tomatoes too. But just Google English breakfast or traditional English breakfast and you'll see what us Looney Tunes eat for breakfast. Okay, normally it's fruit that I've chopped up. Okay, guys, then if it's a week also, I will take a stroll. Take a stroll means you'll take a short walk. You can go hiking, which is like a longer walk, generally up some hills, down some hills, over the mountains where I am right now. You can either take a stroll, go hiking. Let me know what you guys do in your morning routine. I'm interested to find out. You may have some of your own phrasal verbs you need explaining. If you do, let me know down there in the comments. So, get your exercise, guys. Get out in the fresh air. Literally means get outside and get some oxygen, fresh air. Good for you, good for the soul. All right, guys, that's it for today. That's morning routine and phrasal verbs, which will help you learn to understand us Brits. If you found the video useful, please give me the thumbs up. I appreciate your time. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget the Easy English Facebook page, the Facebook group, and if you love everything British, you will find it right there on the Easy English Facebook page. And I've just signed up to Instagram, so I hope to find you there too. Thanks again, guys. Bye.